Yo, good morning, guys. Let me fix this a little high right now. Just got to the convention once again. I tried to get here early, but I got here like 8:30 actually, like 8:30. I was supposed to pull up around like 7 something, but luckily I still got the same spot that I had yesterday. So it worked out. It's like the perfect spot. I'm able to fit a table, a rack, and my hair cutting stuff, because in that spot like I get a little bit of extra room. So time to head out to pick up my homie. He's gonna be filming for me today, so shout out to Jesse. Yo, so we just got here, day 2. The homie Jesse, he's gonna help with filming today, so you get a vibe of like filming like actually me when I'm like going through and stuff. But time to bring all this stuff in again.
Oh, so nobody can park. Thank you.
Man, my hair looking mess right now. But I'm headed out to the back again to go get the homie. Go get my boy Chuck. Y'all have seen him in the vlogs before. He's coming to help me out. Just pretty much kick it in the booth with me. But yeah, so we're gonna go get him right now, and then he's probably gonna have like a little joke for you guys. He's gonna go ooh or something. He's gonna do something weird, but let's go get him.
Hello?
Yo, where you at, bro?
I'm home.
Huh?
I'm walking up there right now. I'm walking up there right now.
Wait, where are you? I'm here.
What's up, baby? What's up, big
What's
baby?
up, dog?
Was all the stuff here or what?
Huh?
Got the stuff here?
My homie came back to pick up another one, the Beverly Hills tee. So
I live in LA, so.
you live in LA?
Yeah. I got some Mr. Clean brushes too for you.
You three? This will come off?
Yeah. I got the Mr. Clean brush one. Try it out.
Homie pulled up. What's your name, bro?
My name's Vince.
Vince. You have an Instagram?
Yeah, more by proxy.
$4.
Like independent. Look at him. Got the Mr. Clean on deck, ready to take stains out.
Ready.
What's your breakdown? Are you trying to do like 40-40?
Yeah, probably 40-40. That'd be good.
I love the stains on this one.
So I could go down to 30 with that one.
Can I just do this one?
I'm not doing 20. I'll do 30 style.
Okay, before the event even starts. I'll flip that today. Vintage fire. Thank you. Man, my writing is hella bad. Look at that car, dog. One day, bro.
Hoop dreams.
I'll give
Sneaker
all
condition.
these sneaker YouTubers buckets, bro.
already know. I come out here, sneak the car, get a car.
You ship him out here?
I mean, shit. I'm sure he'll take it. That's a good car.
You do YouTube? Yeah. What's your channel about?
So I do sneakers, like sneakers. I don't know a lot of printing. I want to go do some printing. I do sneakers. I do reviews, like bars, boxes. So usually what I'm known for is because I get like shit ton of cars.
I don't want to do like all of them, to be honest.
You gotta do it.
It's always got to be the best, like the best. You know what I mean? That's not how I roll.
The one upper?
Yeah,
One
that's what I'm saying. You got to one up everybody.
I'm tired. Day's winding down, about to end. You already know what that means. Sandal boys time. Take my shoes off and get cozy again. This is the best feeling in the world, y'all. For real. Yo. Good morning. I did not have time to film the ending yesterday. I was dead. I was super tired. It is the next morning. It's Monday. For real, y'all, like, this event was crazy. It was my first time being a vendor. I had no expectations, and like I was super like excited but nervous at the same time because I just didn't know how it was going to turn out. And to be honest, like, y'all killed it, like, for real. Like, from people coming up to me, like taking pictures with me and like just saying what's up, saying they enjoyed the videos, keep up the content. I inspired them to get into the thrift stores to save money. For everyone who got haircuts, I cut 8 heads on Saturday and then 7 on Saturday, which is crazy. I didn't expect to cut that many heads, to be honest. But the ball started rolling once people started getting cuts because people saw my work and they liked it, so they got cuts from me. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. In total, with selling items and cutting hair, I did come out with a rack. So I came out with $1,000. The booth was $350 for 2 days. Then I had to pay parking, 16 bucks a day. That was pretty much it, actually. Yeah, so I'd say with everything, like the amount I spent on the items, the booth, the parking, I probably profited about 500 at the end of it all. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much. Don't want to don't want to bore you guys. But yeah, if you did take a picture with me and you're watching this, DM me on Instagram. Please send me the pictures that you took. I want to do something with it. I'm not sure yet, but just send them to me. Send me a DM on Instagram. My Instagram is down below if you don't follow me already. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk anymore. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I haven't been on YouTube in a while. It's because I've been stressing about SneakerCon, just making sure I had enough items for SneakerCon and enough appointments to cut hair. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. You already know the slow. Get into the coziest channel in the game. Amen to fashion. What is...